Fair lady, your youth I do behold, while April showers fill the pristine air, and Cupid's bow aims skyward among colors bold, greeting blooms of May in tempestuous flair. Fields of flowers dance as wispy grasses sway, in greens, pinks, and blues round every valley turned. Merrily, petals meet the beauty of each day, and June begins to peak as summer's visage burns. Trees and leaves of every kind bow down in solitude, touching sweet virgin's tears as tumultuous winds doth blow, calling out to autumn's fire. She sovereignly salutes God's patchwork quilt, woven in September's golden glow. And dreaded thoughts of winter's chill frigidly unwinds the hand of nature's reasoning with seasons of all time.